Hello everyone! Welcome back to MJ Pharma. Today, we are highlighting the drug of choice for common dermatological conditions, from acne to psoriasis. Learn the first-line treatments that matter. Let's dive into the world of dermatology. Drug of choice for erythrodermic psoriasis. Methotrexate. Drug of choice for severe psoriasis. Methotrexate. Drug of choice for psoriatic arthropathy. Methotrexate. Drug of choice for severe erythrodermic psoriasis. Cyclosporin. Drug of choice for pustular psoriasis. Retinoid. Drug of choice for impetigo herpetiformis. Systemic steroids. Drug of choice for dermatitis herpetiformis. Dapsone. Treatment of choice for acute eczema. Moist compresses. Treatment of choice for subacute eczema. Creams and moisturizers. Drug of choice for impetigo. Mupirocin. Drug of choice for solar lentigenes. Tretinoin. Drug of choice for chancroid. Ceftriaxone. Drug of choice for pemphigus vulgaris. Prednisolone. Drug of choice for vitiligo. Corticosteroids. Drug of choice for atopic dermatitis. Topical corticosteroids. Drug of choice for severe exacerbation of atopic dermatitis. Systemic corticosteroids. Drug of choice for reducing recurrence of melanoma. Alpha interferon with vaccine. Drug of choice for lichen simplex chronicus. Corticosteroids. Drug of choice for seborrheic dermatitis and scalp. Selenium shampoo. Drug of choice for acne rosacea. Oral tetracycline. Drug of choice for tinea capitis. Griseofulvin. Drug of choice for the scleroderma-induced hypertensive crisis. ACE inhibitors like captopril, enalapril, etc. Treatment of choice for lichen planus. Topical glucocorticoids. Drug of choice for systemic dermatophytosis. Griseofulvin. Drug of choice for Stevens-Johnson syndrome. For immunoglobulins. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before starting or suggesting any treatment. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with MJ Pharma. Drug of choice for tinea. Topical azoles like clotrimazole.